Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Gene Bytes. In this week video, I'm going to show you how to check the Windows 11 compatibility. Go to Google, search for Windows 11 compatibility tool. Then click the first link, upgrade to Windows 11. You will be ended up in Windows 11 page. You can see all the new features of the Windows 11, what is the performance, what are the things you are going to get. Okay, scroll to the bottom and click the app download PC health check app. Okay, once it's downloaded to your local PC, run this app. Just click I accept the terms and conditions, click next. Wait for the app to install in your local computer. Once the app is installed, it will give you your current configuration. Okay, what is the Windows 11 version, what is your battery capacity, storage capacity, what is the uptime, the RAM, hard disk size, and how old is your PC. Then there is an option to check the Windows 11 compatibility. Okay, it will just take couple of seconds to check. See, my Windows 10 is eligible for free upgrade of Windows 11, and my hardware specifications are ready to upgrade for Windows 11. Similarly, you can check your hardware as well. If you get this green tick, that means you can upgrade to Windows 11 for free and your hardware is compatible with Windows 11. Thank you. See you again in another video. If you like this video, click like, comment, share and subscribe.